Hello everyone, this is Chris Figures here once again. This is a continuation of the video GENIE 101 for kiosk managers. This is video 2 in the series, so if you haven't seen video 1 yet, you really should. In this video, we return to Access Admin website to see how kiosk managers create and manage GENIE community libraries and playlists and announcements. As well, we'll provide a few tips and how-tos to make the GENIE experience easier for you. Let's begin by going to your Kiosk Manager dashboard. Just to review, in the Ambient Access website, we have the home bar. We also have below that, we have the kiosk dashboard. And just below that, we've got a listing of all our residents. We have community playlists and kiosk library, as well as all messages and all users. Let's have a look at community playlist and the kiosk library. When GENIE is not being used by a resident, GENIE can be a community announcement board where you can broadcast special events, daily and weekly menus, and activity calendars to the resident community. This is important. Content in the kiosk library is not displayed on the GENIE kiosk. Think of the kiosk library as a media repository or storage folder. Kiosk managers act as curators, creating community playlists for the resident community from content deposited into the resident library. Let's click on Kiosk Library. And you'll see in here I have content that I've added from my computer. Some have descriptions, some don't. The behavior is either announcement or standard. If I click on the image or the pencil next to it, you'll see I have a thumbnail image, a title, description, and an ambient behavior. If I click on the ambient behavior, you'll see that I can either select standard or announcement. Standard basically means that this asset will scroll into the next asset after 10 seconds. If you select announcement, that means there's more frequent rotation and extended viewing time. Basically means that the image will preview for 30 seconds and every 3 slides this image will come up. Let's select community playlists. In here, by default, you have one default playlist that you can add and edit content to. However, the following 3 that I have here, I've added or created. Right now, you can see that my miscellaneous playlist is active. Let's click on our Fall 2002 playlist and click Activate, and then click Save. Now you can see that our Fall 2022 playlist is active. If you wanted to create your own new playlist, let's say for Thanksgiving, you could click Create Playlist, add in a name and a description, and click Save. If you wanted to add content to this playlist, you could just simply click Edit Content and then Add Content. And you can either upload audio, images, videos, or you can pick from the library you created. And last but not least, if you wanted to delete a playlist, you simply click on the trash can next to it. It will give you a warning, and then if you're sure, click Yes. About the Kiosk Manager card. The Kiosk Manager card allows you to access and impersonate all residents on the platform. This can be handy to see how many new messages a resident might have, or allows you to help a resident who does not have their key handy. As well, the Kiosk Manager key allows you to quickly sync up the system. Internet connection can be disrupted when power is shut off, or if the network kicks GENIE off, which happens frequently on poor Wi-Fi internet. When internet is disconnected from GENIE for whatever reason, an offline notice is displayed in the middle of the monitor. When internet does come back on, the monitor continues to display as being offline until a resync cycle is initiated. So it may appear to be offline when in fact it is not. You can initiate a resync cycle by inserting your Kiosk Manager card. And stand back. It might take some time to complete the cycle if you're downloading lots of content. Okay, I think that's enough to get things going. Take some time to make yourself familiar with the website and don't be afraid to experiment. If you need help, send us an email at support@ambientactivity.com or call us at 1-800-563-7740.